with a human hair unit that I'm super excited about because it is a wig that I picked up from UNICE Hair. Y'all know they are my most favorite human hair wig maker, so I'm super excited about what's in this box. I can't remember what I ordered, but if you look in that description box, I'll put all the details as well as a direct link to this unit. And while you're down there, please subscribe. I'm almost to 70K. My next goal, help a girl out. So all I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because you guys know I like to do everything on camera with y'all. So the wig came in this very, very cute pink box as always that I love. Hold on, let me open this up. Inside the box, we have the wig, of course, but we also have the extras that UNICE sends. Like I always say, things that I actually will use: some HD wig caps, an edge brush with a removable head, an edge band, and a silk storage case to store the wig. So stuff that we use, okay? I'm reading the details about this on the outside, but like I said, I'll put all that down in the description box. This is a Bye Bye Knots wig. It is a 7x5. It is a loose wave wig, and it is 24 inches long. Okay, let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at the cap construction. So I know y'all think that's routine when I'm like, oh my God, I just love, you know, UNICE, everything is so, y'all, these wigs really are the best that you can ask for. Like, if somebody that can't comb hair, hold on, let me take the netting off. I got a roller, the netting stuck in the roller. I want y'all to see what these curls look like right out of the pack. Like I tell you all the time, if I had to try to attempt those curls on my own, it just could never happen. Okay, so I love the fact that UNICE, it comes pre-done. They have a roller there for the bangs in this wig. I mean, look at that, just right out of the pack, how good that looks. Let me take out this paper so we can look at this cap construction. Y'all, this is just perfect, okay? I just love everything about that. All right, as far as cap construction goes, we get that 7x5 parting space that we love. They have the cutout where your ear goes so it fits comfortably. We have an adjustable glueless band here. We have a comb in the back, and we have the regular adjustable straps that come custom to, you know, all wigs. This is just a super beginner friendly, super bomb wig. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head so you guys can see it straight out of the pack. I'll be sure to do a 360. I'll probably pull some up in the clamp. Y'all know I love a bang look with a little messy, like pull back look going on auntie. So this won't take any time at all. I'll be sure to do all that on camera so you guys can see, and then I'll come right back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Girl, you know what's up. Say what, say what, say what. People be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay, hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. So y'all know I'm in love. Auntie is always the look that I'm going for, and this wig gives me all the auntie vibes that I need with this little pin up like this. But honestly, even not pinned up, and y'all know I just do this up here haphazardly, but not pinned up. You saw how dramatic I tried to let this hair down? And just all down. This is giving me all the vintage 1970s vibes that I need. Y'all, this is just another wig that UNICE has knocked out of the park. And what I love the most about this is y'all know I can't comb hair. And the fact that I can get this as somebody that can't comb hair is just wonderful to me. The layers that they put into this, the bangs they put in this, the fact that they had it already curled when it came to me, all of these things just make this wig a must-have in my book. This is the type of wig that I love for the summer, because if I'm wearing it down and I am out and I'm getting too hot, the fact that I can just pull this up and make it look really cute on the whim is everything that I need. Of course, this one is a 10 out of 10 for me. I definitely recommend this one. If you like this wig, just if you go a few videos back, I've already reviewed this wig in like a black cherry cola looking color by UNICE, and I absolutely loved it. I love this one. Y'all, I'm gonna go see if they make it in some type of blonde blend, because I gotta have that one too. Okay, that's how much I love this wig, and this is one that you will definitely love and I recommend. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what y'all's thoughts are, because if you can't tell, your girl is in love. Until next time, y'all, will be very soon. Bye guys.